Hello, good morning students. Today let us learn a new lesson. What is the name of the new lesson? Sabina's composition. Composition means short essay or nibandh. Now let us learn the lesson. One day Sabina does her homework without even knowing it. How does that happen? One day Sabina did her homework even without knowing it. Now let us learn the lesson. Sabina came home from school one day with her eyes red and tearly. Tearly means filled with tears. One day Sabina came from school with crying. What happened? Her mother asked as she hugged Sabina. Her mother asked what happened and embraced Sabina. I don't know what to do, Sabina cried. Our teacher said that we must all bring in a composition tomorrow morning. Her teacher told that all should write a composition and bring tomorrow morning. I can't write composition. I can't write composition. In school, I tried to write on 3 different topics, but see, I can't do it. In the school, I tried to write on 3 different topics. Topics means subjects. Her mother took Sabina's notebook. Her mother took Sabina's notebook. Sabina had tried to write on the topics. So Sabina tried to write on these topics. Which are the topics? Time. Time means samay. Knowledge. Knowledge means gyan. And freedom. Freedom means ajadi. On these topics, she tried to write, but she could not. This is what she had written. What she had written, see, about time. Time is short. We should all improve our time. What she wrote, time is short. We should all improve our time. Next topic, knowledge. Knowledge is a very useful thing. Next one, freedom must be used wisely. These are the sentences she wrote about these topics. I can't think of another word to say about any of this topic. I cannot write more, mummy, any of this subject, exclaimed Sabina. I shall have to go to school without a composition. See, I cannot write anything more. So tomorrow I have to go to school without a composition. Sabina, her mother asked, did the teacher ask you to write on this topic? क्या तुम्हारे टीचर दिस टॉपिक के बारे में लिखने के लिए बोला है क्या? No, mummy. She just suggested them. No, she only suggested them. We can choose any topics we want according to our like. We can choose any topics. But it's so difficult to find a proper topic. But I cannot find a proper topic. Said mummy, you have done enough worrying. Said mummy, now you worried too much. Now don't worry about it. Now let us see what to do. You did not begin correctly. You have been trying to write on subjects that you don't know much about. Her mother told, you did not write properly. The topic which you selected, you do not have much knowledge about it. But I just can't find a subject, mummy. I cannot find a subject. Sabina's mother shook her head. Go and play in the garden. Now, my dear child, now you go and play in the garden. I will call you in half an hour. Now you go and play in the garden. I will call you after half an hour. But my composition, again she was telling Mummy about my composition. Began Sabina. Don't think about your composition. You don't think about your composition. Have fun, said her mother. Now you have fun and enjoy. Go and play. After half an hour, when her mother called her, Sabina looked fresh and happy. After half an hour, her mother called. That time, Sabina looks fresh and happy. Now said her mother, I want you to sit by the window with a sheet of paper and a pencil and write something about what you can see. Now take a paper and a sheet and you please sit near the window and look through the window and write whatever comes in your mind. What my composition? Again she was asking Mummy about composition. Sabina, when will I begin that? When will I begin that? Never mind your composition, my dear child. You don't worry about your composition. We will talk about that later. Sabina knew that her mother always had a good reason for everything she did. Sabina knew that her mother is very nice. Whatever she says, that is right. So she took the paper and pencil and sat by the window. So she obeyed her mother. She took the pencil, paper and sat near the window. Paper and pencil and sat by the window. Sabina looked out and saw the western sky. Sabina peeped to the window and saw the western sky. Don't tell about the sunset. Now you write whatever comes in your mind, said her mother. Just write. You go and write. This is what the first part. Did you understand the first part? This is also a simple lesson. Now only thing you have to read again and again, and new words are there like clearly, composition, topics. What do you mean by topics? Subject. Composition means short essay. These all new words you have to write and you have to read the lesson again and again. So dear students, whatever your mummy says, please obey your mummy and do whatever she tells you. Okay, bye student.